Aerodrome Finance. So this is starting to pick up some momentum now. I am actually quite bullish on this. Not hugely, I'm not talking about this going crazy high, but the big thing here is really how much does base as a layer 2, as a building block for crypto develop? And I think Aerodrome is going to be at the forefront of that, being as it's like the central hub for DEX, for like AMMs and whatnot. And basically any crypto that's going to launch on base will probably start on Aerodrome. So I want to talk about where I think this can go. Before I get into it though, guys, if you're new here and you don't know what this spreadsheet is, this shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. Now, when I did the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these coins. They were ones that I expected were going to make me a lot of money. And if you'd have done the same, pop to $100, let's say, into each of these coins when I release the videos, these are the prices you'd have been in on. All you would have had to do is sit on those coins for 16 months and you'd been able to sell at these prices, and these are what your profits would have been. So $100 into each in under a year and a half would have netted you a profit of over 123 grand. Now, guys, you don't have a year and a half to sort your portfolios out. If you're not confident in the cryptos you own, it's time to do something about it, because we're in a bull cycle right now. And if you're not confident in the coins you own, it's probably because you're holding the wrong coins. If that's you, get onto copymycrypto.com. There's a link in the description. On there, you will see what my members have earned. You will see the successes we have had. You can read their testimonials. Everything on the site is public record. You can verify all online. Copymycrypto.com is where I share with my members the coins that I own. Whenever I'm ready to buy or sell any crypto, I will tell my members the crypto that I'm going to buy or sell, the price I'm going to do it at, so my members make the exact same profit as me without any work at all. And again, if that sounds good to you, get onto the site, read through it all, verify it all, and if you like what you see, just try it out. You got nothing to lose, guys. Now, Aerodrome. As you can see, in the last day, up about 10%, but actually not doing too bad at all. Rallied from like lows of 50 cents or so, really not that long ago, you know. And Aerodrome is a next-gen AMM designed to serve as Base's central liquidity hub, combining a powerful liquidity incentive engine, a vote lock governance model, and friendly user experience. Aerodrome inherits the latest features from Velodrome version 2, but it's specific for Base. And that's the big thing, right? Base is has been growing massively. If you're unfamiliar with what Base is the layer 2 that Coinbase have built. And while Base itself doesn't have a coin, being the liquidity hub for one of the fastest, or if not one of, currently the fastest growing layer 2, is going to be incredibly profitable. Potentially, this could absolutely rocket up. So the way it works is it's designed to reward participants that enable the sustainable growth of the protocol. So basically, you've got traders that spend the fees go to the voters, or the Aerodrome voters. The aero emissions go to liquidity providers. There's liquidity providers give low slippage to the traders, and then liquidity providers provide liquidity to the protocols, and the incentives go to the voters once again. So there's a proper, fully considered approach here, where actually you're seeing everyone being rewarded in some way, shape, or form. As of right now, you got to bear in mind Base has barely been around for very long. Aerodrome itself not particularly been around for long. I mean, since February. In that time, they have now built up to basically $1 billion, or just shy of $1 billion in total value locked. Monthly trading is now over $8 billion. Monthly users is over 119,000. And this is going to continue. It is kind of inevitable at this point. They're growing at such a speed. So if you just wanted to swap Ethereum or Aero, so say you wanted to swap Aero for, I don't know, any of these. There's 204 tokens right now. You can see it is very damn straightforward. It's actually, it's quite similar to Uniswap in the sense of the simplicity of this. Obviously, it is worth, like, if you're ever using Aerodrome, find the token contract on something like CoinGecko and then paste it in if you're not sure, because there's always going to be cryptos that have the exact same tickers. So you don't want to get caught or accidentally swap the wrong damn cryptos. You can deposit liquidity as well into Aerodrome. I mean, legitimately, it's about as simple as it gets. There isn't actually tons to this, but the key thing and the key success here is going to be based upon Base's success. If Base continues to grow at the rate that it's growing, Aerodrome is, as of right now, the go-to place if you want to do any trading or swapping. You can also supply stablecoin pools on Aerodrome. APR is pretty damn good as well. You know, looking at 20% for some of these. Again, you know, understand the risks that you've got. Say someone was to pull all the liquidity. There's obviously volatile ones as well, where, you know, you can get potentially huge percentage swings, but you also again have to understand your risk of impermanent loss, which is always a risk when you're supplying liquidity. Aerodrome itself, like I said, is kind of as simple as it gets, but with the sheer growth that they've had, I expect this to continue. I really do. Aerodrome NFTs will vote to distribute token emissions and receive incentives and fees generated by the protocol also. I think this is just very clever and it's very, very simple. Data metrics are openly available on Token Terminal as well. So if you're interested in just seeing what the data is here. So as of right now, token holders over the 30 days, 186,000, that's up 12%. That's actually very good. That's a strong improvement in 30 days, a 12% gain. Net deposits are up 42% over the past 30 days. Fees have actually dropped by 20% over the last 30 days, which, again, if you're that's probably pleasing to many people. It should be. Active users daily, 9,000. One sec. Let's move my head. Active users per month, so that's dropped about 20%. It's down to about 119,000. So actually, their website's very accurate. Weekly users, 42,000. Average fees per user, $17. So people that are actually swapping as well, that means they're doing significant swaps. Like, these are not, that's actually a substantial fee. So these are, like, especially when it's as cheap as it is, Base. So that means people that are using it are probably close to whales. I actually think this is one that maybe the market's sleeping on. Maybe I am. Because bear in mind as well, it's on Coinbase. Of course it's on Coinbase because it's a Base token. But it isn't on Binance yet. Imagine, like, if it goes on Binance, it 3 or 4x's straight away. I would not be shocked to see this get to $10, maybe even $20. $20 puts it at a pretty substantial market cap, to be fair. You know, you're looking at a market cap of like $12 billion, which is not small, but I think this is actually quite doable. I think it can, but it's got to land on Binance. If it doesn't land on Binance, I think it might struggle to get to that kind of level. But right now, one thing that everyone needs to be aware of, don't sleep on Base. Because the thing is sooner or later, Base are going to release their own, like, they may not release their own token, but we're already seeing an emergence of meme coins for Base. I think the net growth that we're going to see on Base over this year means Aerodrome can have really, really good year. $10, maybe even $20 could be on the cards for Aerodrome. Not one to sleep on. Pay attention to this one, guys, because the statistics are good, especially in under a year of being up and running. But let me know what you guys think about this. Do you think this can go way, way higher? Am I underestimating it by saying, $10, $20? Tell me what you think in the comments. And guys, look, we are in a bull cycle right now. If you're not happy with the cryptos you own or confident in the cryptos you own, do something about it today. Get onto copymycrypto.com. On the site, you will see what my members have earned. You'll see the successes we have had. It's all public record. You can verify it all online. Copymycrypto.com is where I share with my members the cryptos I own. Whenever I'm ready to buy or sell any coin, I will tell my members the coin that I'm going to buy or sell, the price I'm going to do it at. So my members make the same profit as me without doing any work at all. And again, if you're not confident in the cryptos you own, it is time to do something about it. We're in a bull cycle. If you don't, you're going to end up watching everyone else making money while you don't, which is... Yeah, so check out the site now, guys. And I'll see you all in the next vid. Take care. Bye-bye.